on a fucking wall. Rakai's entire room is rigged with fucking fireworks within his walls. We're gonna detonate them. How you use the word? Detonate them from here. On this very phone, we have every app to set off the fireworks in his. You're dumbass niggas. While y'all out there playing checkers, we out here playing chess. Yes. I'm violating. I'm gonna go ahead and say something real quick. Y'all niggas so stupid. Word to bro, I'll rig y'all entire house with fireworks within y'all fucking walls. In y'all walls, have the biggest fireworks in there. When we burn that shit to ashes, don't say nothing. Proto, let it off. Daniel, where you at? Switch it. Switch to ingest.